Hi guys, Funky Kev here, and this is the latest update on my X-Ray build. As you can see now, I've got all my shocks, I've got my wing, all the centre bits done with trays, me bit over there for me ESC, and all my fronts done. So yeah, it's looking good, and my wheel hubs, which I think stand out quite nice. It's been a fun little build. So all I've got left to do now is get me motor, which is going to go here, my ESC and my receiver box here, and my servo. So that's all of it. So I will make another video showing off my body shell, which I've been doing. So thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, drop me a like and leave a comment, and I will see you all next time.